Hey everybody, this is Jerry again in North Carolina, M7 Speed. Hey, we just want to show you another Mini we just finished building today. It's a stage 2. Not major, but you know, customer wanted a little bit more pep, and this thing goes pretty good. So what we got here is a 2012 R56 basic S car. Nice little car. Actually, this was a flood card guy bought, and he did a lot of work to it to get all the ECUs and DMEs talking and working together and put a new motor in it. But it's a nice little just basic stock bone stock car. We put a show you what we did here. We put a M7 max flow intake on it right there, and we put the M7 intercooler pre-intercooler charge pipe on it, and it's got a stage 2 MANIC tune flash for the DME. It's got a high flow catalytic converter downpipe on it, and that's about all we did. But this thing scoots pretty good, you know. It's just your basic S car, and we could do this for you. Any S car you got, we could do it. And that's all we do all day every day is Mini Cooper performance. So if you want a Mini built, if you want a mild to wild, you come see Jerry at M7 Speed, because that's what we build, is kick-ass badass Mini Coopers. Out.